In this video, I want to show you how you can move a file from one location in your Forever albums or in your account to another part. So I've discovered that I have this file of William George Charles Vincent, and it would be more appropriate to put it in the file folder that I called 04 Oliver Vincent Fan Club, because he is a descendant of that couple combination. So I go up to the three dots and I choose Move Album, and then I can go down a little bit to my archives, my genealogy family history, and because it has more than one file and nested album in there, there's 27 nested albums within that archive, then I click the little black arrow, and then I know it's a combination of, there we are, 04 Oliver Vincent Genealogy, because he is part of the fan club for Oliver Vincent. So each of the surnames or the numbered files that you see here are my actual descendancy surnames. So anybody that's a descendant from one of those surnames would go into the fan club rather than having its own file and being a little bit more confusing. So if they're not my direct line, then they don't have their own numbered file. But once they get into this numbered file, they're going to have a place. Let me show you. So you'll see here there's 80 files. There's 11 nested albums in the Oliver Vincent genealogy. Again, we click the black arrow, and now it shows all of the files within the Oliver Vincent genealogy. So you'll see here there's all the Oliver Vincent Genealogy Fan Club. Now that's where I want to put it. I don't want to drill down one more level because that'll make a different level. So I'm going to click right here, and now it's in that location. So now if we look at this 04 Oliver Vincent Genealogy, below it on this menu bar is the Oliver Vincent Genealogy Fan Club, and says there's 6 nested albums. So if I click that, then you see that there's these nested albums, and there is William George Charles Vincent. So he is part of the fan club. He is a descendant of the Theophilus Oliver and Charlotte Vincent fan club, and so that's where he belongs. And only the surnames that I have as my direct line have the numbered couple combination. And then if you drill down, then it's in the fan club. I hope this helps you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and have a great day.